Discovered a TUT file in your Children of the Nile game folder and curious how it fits into the game? This is a tutorial scenario file from the Classic City Builder. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how these tutorial files work and how to access them. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated TUT file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. TUT files are tutorial scenario files for Children of the Nile, a historical city building strategy game developed by Tilted Mill Entertainment. They contain scripted tutorial content, guiding new players through gameplay mechanics, city construction, resource management, and civilization development within the game's ancient Egyptian setting. Children of the Nile, TUT files use a game-specific format storing scenario data, including map layouts, initial conditions, scripted events, tutorial messages, objective definitions, and trigger conditions. The format integrates with the game engine's scenario system, following Tilted Mill's internal specifications for scripted tutorial gameplay sequences. The primary software for TUT is recognized as Tilted Mill Entertainment Children of the Nile, developed by Tilted Mill Entertainment. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows provides little insight into model or texture data, so compatible modding apps are required. Your first step towards full access, right-click the TUT file and select Open With. If Tilted Mill Entertainment Children of the Nile is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If your TUT file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We've simplified the problem to 3 distinct common points of failure. This quick list shows you what those problems are and how to quickly confirm them. First, loading in-game. Launch Children of the Nile and access the tutorial menu from the main game interface. The game automatically loads TUT files from its tutorials directory, presenting them as available tutorial sessions. Select the desired tutorial to begin scripted gameplay with on-screen instructions and guided objectives. Next, verifying game installation. If TUT files don't appear in the tutorial menu, verify the game installation is complete by checking the tutorials folder within the game directory. Reinstall the game or restore from original media if tutorial files are missing. Steam Josh or original disk installations should include all standard tutorial content. Finally, inspecting file contents. Open the TUT file in a text editor or hex editor to examine its structure. Some TUT files may contain readable scripted text and parameters revealing tutorial design. Avoid modifying the files as changes can break tutorial functionality, and the file format isn't supported for fan editing without community-developed tools. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.